Okay, everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to do this little chap, which is the Half Windsor tie knot. It's my favorite tie knot. It's quite simple, but it creates a really nice, symmetrical, sort of middle of the road, not too wide, not too thin knot, perfect for almost any occasion. So the first thing you're going to need to do is obviously put your collar up. You're going to have to do up your top button. You will also need to grab yourself your tie. The first thing that you will need to do is to make sure that the thin end is a lot shorter than the thick end. And it's going to have to be quite significantly shorter. And then the first thing you're then going to do is bring the thick end over the thin end and hold it with your thumb and forefinger. The thick end is then going to go round the back and through the middle from the front. So round the back and through the middle from the front. And that will create a little shoulder. And give the tie a bit of a tug to make sure that it's not loose. And the tie should be hanging backwards directly down. Now you've got the choice of going either way with this, but I like to take the tie to the opposite side of the shoulder because it will make the tie a little bit more symmetrical. And you bring the tie across the front, and that's going to create the front of our knot. Then we're going to bring the tie through the gap at the top from behind. And then the tie is just going to hang directly down with the knot below it. So all we're going to need to do now is take up that first fold of fabric and tuck the tie through it. Make sure nothing gets twisted during that process and give it a little tug while holding the thin end. Now you want to grab the bottom of the knot so that you're sort of manipulating the knot into a triangle and slide it up while holding the thin end all the way to your neck. Give the thick end a few tugs while you're doing it, and that will make sure that the knot ends up nice and triangular. Pop anything left of the thin end in the little loop in the back of your tie. And there, my friends, you have the perfect Half Windsor knot. Now, if you've done it, do me a favor, click a like on the video, and also if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. My kids do not believe that I'm going to get a silver play button. I probably won't, but they definitely don't think I'm going to. Also, put in the comments where you're watching the video from. These videos go out all over the world, and I'm always amazed at how far they go. I try to reply to all the comments, so please drop in where you're going to a wedding, going to a party, whereabouts in the world you're from. I want to hear it all. And also, if you like my little tie with penguins on, then check out my business. It's called reefknots.com, and there you will find these ties, which are fine printed ties made entirely from recycled plastic. It took me 2 years to develop. I think I'm about the only person in the world doing it. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day. I hope your tie looks great, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.